flying. Oh, that sucks. That's kind of sad to watch.
Oh no, dude, that's life, man. The strong survive, bro.
Yeah. I can't believe that just happened to me.
Really low.
That's a slow way to die, too.
Oh,
Oh, no, he's probably dead. Yeah, he's dead. Let's go. Right there, he choked him out. Oh.
oh.
Kill him already, will you?
Dude, I'm pumped about this. I can't believe. See, that's what I'm saying. Though. He's getting people on my side here. We gotta keep him in here.
Yeah.
That's how hungry he was. You think the mouse gonna get that steak on?
He's gonna eat that thing alive.
That's how they all do it. Or,
Yeah, that's what I
He ate him head first.
that's how they all do it.
That's how you gotta do it, head first, huh? It's like, fuck yeah.
That's a cool snake, dude.
He gonna want some water to wash that down with.
Nope. That's awesome. It's like fishing, dude. You know what I mean? You
Yeah.
throw right bait in front of him. I was like, hey, hey, hold up. As soon as I saw that baby bird,
That bird's dead now.
he was dead. He fell out of his nest, dude, from the top all the way down. His wing was broke.
He's gonna die anyway.
Oh yeah, he's gonna die real slow in the hot sun. At least he's recycled now. That is fucking crazy. I just can't believe that he was that hungry. You didn't have to talk him into it. And we've been fucking with this snake for 2 days. Can't believe he's not like too stressed to even eat.
Hey, we got paid time and a half to watch that.
I know. Would have waited an hour. It'd be
Hey, that's
double
about
time.
the TV I was catching at home.
Yeah.
Dang, I
Don't
can't.
get more National Geographic than that right there.
There's one
You
more
ever seen a
bird.
snake eat?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ever seen a wild snake eat? Yeah. Huh.
Dude, I've never seen